be? What do you want the day to feel like? Choose that word. And if you're having trouble settling on a word, you're not alone. Maybe just take the invitation to go with your gut. Maybe go with the first thing that came up. Inhale, holding that word in your mind. And exhale. And as you begin this practice of deepening the breath with conscious awareness, now it can become a little more loud, moving from that quiet, easy breath to something that's just slightly more substantial, anchoring your mind with the sound of the breath. And feel free to make this moment your own, and all of these moments here as we move together. You can tap into an Ujjayi breath, the victorious breath, that ocean sound. You can take some exhales out through the mouth with a sigh. You might even chant Om as you exhale. Just play here, allowing your attention and your focus to stay with the breath, inhaling deeply and exhaling completely. Now slowly slither your thumbs up towards your forehead, the third eye. See if you can grow a little taller through your spine. And if you like, choose one word that you just love to base the day on. What do you want the day's word to